Hi guys, in this video we'll learn about how to build data table in Uipath Studio. For this process, the main objective is uh, how to build the data table, and after building the data table, uh, we'd like to display the values of the data table, right? This is the main objective of this process. So for that, let's move to the Uipath Studio. Now I'm creating a sequence, add sequence. After adding the sequence, now we have to add build data table activity, right? So let's click on activities, just type build data table uh, from the data table, right? So I'm adding this activity. Now click on data table button. Now build data table window will be open. By clicking on this button, the new window will be open. That is build data table window. After opening this window, see, this is the template which is provided by the Uipath Studio. As our requirement, we can use this template as by modification, or else we will remove all things, and we will create new columns. As of now, uh, I am using this column. For that, see, I'm adding two columns. Those column names as serial number and SN and the name. So the column name is SN. See, we know all actually in real time serial numbers means numbers, right? Uh, for that, data type should be int, right? So I'm giving int. In this edit column window, we have multiple properties. That is column name already we have given. Second one is data type. Third one is allow null. Fourth one is auto increment, default value, unique, and maximum length. These are the properties. As per our requirement, we have to use. See, uh, I gave a column name as serial number, right? So serial number means the data type should be in int numbers. So I gave int. Next, I don't want allow any null. For that, I am unchecking this checkbox. If you want to auto increment, please check on this checkbox. As of now, I need auto increment, so I using this field. So, and also I am using this unique value also. By checking this unique property, we doesn't here it doesn't allows any duplicates. To avoid the duplicates, I am using unique as check. So maximum length, see, as per our requirement, we can edit length of the at I mean variable. So next, click on OK. The next column name is, see, name, right? For that, give name. As we know, all names should be in text, right? For a text, data type should be in string, so I'm choosing string. uh, in this here also I don't want to allow any nulls, so I'm unchecking this. See, auto increment, I don't want this test, right? So I don't want this. As of now, these attributes is enough, so I'm clicking on OK. Now two columns I have added. Now I am adding the values. The first one is 1, and name should be name. I'm adding name as ABC. Next one is XYZ. Have you observed here? Automatically, the serial number is taking because of we selected right auto increment, so automatically it is increasing the serial numbers. Next name should be the name I'm giving as EFG. Next XYZ. Already I gave QT. I'm randomly giving. See now enough. I added 5 rows, right? Okay. Now enough. Uh, Now after adding data to this data table, press and OK. Next, see actually main aim what is here of building the data table, and we need to display the values of the data table. So for that we need to add one more activity, that is output data table. Now so here we have two properties, that is input and output. We have to give the input data table, and the output is string actually for this activity string. For that we need to give the two variables here. See already we created data table and given values, but we haven't stored those values into one variable, right? So the data type of this build data table is data table. So I'm creating a variable to store these values. So by pressing Ctrl K, we can create. I'm giving name as DT. Press enter. After that, now the input of this activity is DT, and output I'm storing in one string, right? So I'm giving variable name as DT string by pressing Ctrl K. DT string. Okay. As of now, there is no error trigger here. Next, add log message activity. For the displaying the output of the, for displaying the values of the data table. Choose info, and the variable, the output where which values we need to display. For that, DT string, right? The output of the this activity we are giving in log message to display the values of the data table. So the main purpose of the output data table activity is actually in real time we there is no possibility to display the data table directly. So for that we are converting the data table into string. After converting to string, we are displaying the string value here. Okay, now I'm running this process by click on run file. The process executed. See, these are the values. Now check, we added two columns, right? The column name SN and the name, right? And added randomly four rows. So the values displayed in output, right? We achieved exact exact output, right? So thank you for watching this video.